I had to break it down because there is so much happening in just a few minutes that you can easily miss important details. After watching in, I can confidently say this season 3 is not just going to be good, it is going to be the most intense, emotional and understandable season for last start from the beginning. The way this trailer opens already trails us the tone of the season. It does not started with action or reaction. It starts with a Henry feeling, and that feeling is all on. The first thing we see in Tommy and the expression on his face says everything. This is not to hold everything together and mitex. He is not the man who sternly accepted getting fired to. This is a different version to Tommy. Same wow has been trounced at lot. He looks like a man who understood that he futurist look like a man who understood that the futurist will not be essay, but he is still ready to move forward. This is makes him much a powerful characters, no matter how many time life can push characters, how many time life cannot him down. He keep getting back up, but now the big question is how many time can he keep going that before something finally break. Then we see CTT, and honestly is it amazing to see it fully running as a real company. After everything Tommy Van Trout is in the last two series, the last two seasons, he has finally put something of his own. CTT is really now the company is working, the team is trail working, the team is there, and everything seemed to be going well at the start. The oil will are protected to business is moving forward. The and for a moment it feel like Tommy is finally getting the life he deserves, but this is Landman and nothing. But this is Landman and nothing stay with be powerful for long. Right after showing this success, the trailer suddenly becomes breaker and more serious, and the results of the change is Gulino every time Gilino opens the entrance mode of the series. Change, he is not loud or aggressive. He does not shout or lost control. He is calm, quality, and the makes him even more. There is a moment in the trailer where he speaks very clearly, but everyone feels like a trade, and the most important part is Tommy cannot expertly wo Gaylord is he cannot how he can be he cannot that Gaylord money is not clear, but still Tommy and Norris working with him not be search he want to but be search CTT, and now that connection is becoming the biggest Dunger in the life. The trailer also makes it clear that Gillon is not just waiting for his money. He is watching everything. He is involved in what is happening, and if it feels like he has a bigger plan, such someone like Gillon does not invest in a company just to make money. There is something more he wants. And in season 3 we will probably find out what this is, and when we do I might completely change how we see everything that has happening so far.